With Fastbull.com, you don't need to stress yourself on how to plot responsive support and resistance levels like this, this, and this. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to effortlessly plot responsive support and resistance levels that works 90% of the time. I'm also going to be showing you how to place your target, which is take profit. So make sure you watch till the end of this video and let's dive into it. Right now, I want to plot some support and resistance levels. As you already know, if you watch my videos, you know my levels are very, very solid. Price most of the time respect my level. So I want to show you how to plot similar levels using a tool on Fastbull. So first of all, this tool is not available on the website. So you need to go to the link in the description below to download this on your mobile device. Now, after downloading it on your mobile device, you want to come to data. Then under data, you want to click support and resistance. All right. So here you can see all the different currency pairs and their support and resistance. Now I'm going to go to euro dollar and I'm going to attach a screenshot here so that you follow me in real time. So now, based on the current trend of the market, I am bearish because first of all, you need to be able to generate a bias before you now start plotting your zones, right? But in this case, I am currently bearish, so I want to plot a resistance level first, then use the next support as my target. I hope you get the point. Now, the first resistance we have here is 1.07407. So all I'll do now is to pick a horizontal line and place it anywhere on my screen. So I'll double click on it and edit that number 1.07407. All right, then I'll click on OK. So as you can see, this is the current resistance. Is price respecting that zone or not? Of course, you can obviously see that price is respecting that zone. Now, this is just represented by a line. So you can get creative. Let's say you want to make it a zone. You want to make that area a zone. You can just use your rectangle tool to plot a zone around that area so that you can capture multiple areas. All right. So yeah, you can do this, or you, if you like, you can choose to leave the line. But for me, I prefer to make it a zone so that I can have a whole area where I can put my stop loss above and of course sell to the downside. Now we have series of support and resistance there. You can play around, then make sure you're focusing on the resistance level that is around key levels, because when you're looking at the market, you should be able to spot these key levels instantly. All right, so this is how to do it. You can see this first example, you can see how our resistance level was placed exactly where price is bouncing off of that zone. So this is euro USD. Let's try a different pair quickly before we call it a day. GBP USD. So I'll go with let's say 8 cap. So now I'll go back to the 4-hour time frame. GBP USD. All right. So another thing I like about this tool is the fact that they are not going lesser than 4 hours. Remember, the higher the time frame, the more accurate whatever zone, whatever signals you generate on those time frames are. So I like the fact that this is starting from the 4-hour time frame. So let's continue. So I'm just going to pick this zone since I am bearish bias right now. So I'm just going to put this here and then edit the first resistance level since I am bearish bias. So I'm looking for resistance levels that I can sell from. So pound sterling USD, so I'll pick the first one, resistance 1.27160. 1.27160. Boom. Guys, you can see how accurate this is. You can see how accurate this is. You can see the price is bouncing off of that zone right now, right? So which means if I had done this video earlier, we would even be trading live, right? So yeah, we have a line there. Of course, you can also make it a zone. If you see any other areas you need to bring into the fold, you can actually do that. But the beauty is you can see how accurate the lines are. So if you're looking for targets, let's say you're trading, you are a day trader, you can use the obvious swing zone as your target. You can play around. The time will not permit me to just go on and on because I could go on and on. So remember, you don't have this on the website. You just have to download the software on your mobile device to be able to access this on your phone. All right, so when you come here, you can now start plotting responsive support and resistance level that plays out 90% of the time. So thanks for staying to the end of this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye guys.